In this video, we will add mixed numbers that have the same denominator, but will require us to carry. First thing I'd like you to do is look at the problem and estimate an answer. We know that 7 plus 2 equals 9, so my answer is definitely going to be 9 and something, and I know I have 10 elevenths and 2 elevenths, so it's actually going to be over 9. It will be 10 with a fraction attached to it. So I know my answer is approximately 10. Let's find out. We're going to rewrite it vertically. So I want you to rewrite your problem in a vertical fashion. 7 and 10 elevenths plus 2 and 2 elevenths. First, let's add our fractions. 10 elevenths plus 2 elevenths equals 12 elevenths. Now I know that's more than 1, so we'll worry about carrying it in just a minute. 7 plus 2 equals 9. And since I have 12 elevenths, I know I have another whole. I have 11 elevenths. That's one more whole. And if I subtract that, I will have 1 11th left over. This 11 elevenths, or one whole, gets added to the 9, so that will be 10. And that remaining 1 11th that I have left over is my fraction. So what you're ultimately doing here is taking 12 divided by 11. And I know that is 1 and 1 11th. So I'm adding 1 and 1 11th to my original 9, which makes 10 and 1 11th. Stick with it. Let's do another one. I have 1 and 4 sevenths plus 5 and 5 sevenths. 1 plus 5 is 6, and this is going to be more than 7, so my answer is going to be 4 fifths, 4 sevenths, and 5 sevenths is going to be 9 sevenths. That's going to add another one here. So my answer is going to be a little bit over 7, approximately 7. 1 and 4 sevenths plus 5 and 5 sevenths. Add our fractions. 4 sevenths plus 5 sevenths equals 9 sevenths. 1 plus 5 equals 6. I have 6 and 9 sevenths, and I know that that 9 sevenths is equal to 1 and 2 sevenths. I'm going to add that to my 6 to get 7 and 2 sevenths. Here's what I did. I had 6 and 9 sevenths. I changed 9 sevenths to 1 and 2 sevenths. And then I just added those two together to get 7 and 2 sevenths. Let's do one final example. 8 plus 2 equals 10. My answer is going to probably be around 11. Let's find out. 8 and 9 elevenths plus 2 and 5 elevenths. 9 plus 5 is 14 elevenths. 8 plus 2 is 10. My 14 elevenths equals 1 and 4 elevenths. I'm going to add that to my 10 for 11 and 4 elevenths as my final answer. Be careful. Make sure that we're always putting it in simplest form, which we have in each of our examples, and I hope this helps you with this skill.